Here's a new knife and a chopping board. I got 3 chopping boards and a knife, very expensive knife, $7 or $8 I think. But I spent $10 on no, $6.99 or $7.99. But anyway, the wife is cooking my eggs, having a omelette. Yeah, so here's some stuff. Professional here in the coffee mug there with some onion. That will be washed before used. It is an old mug. Yes, there's some mushroom, professional chopping. Is this chopping board much chop or no? I chop it all.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. You're very talkative. Yes. There is a tomato, and there is a lid. And here are some eggs.
Oh, really? This is a tomato?
Yes, this is a tomato. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh,
And this here is bread, and this is a mushroom bag.
I see. Our friend don't know what is a tomato.
And where is the feta? Is that in the fridge?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll get that out for you, I guess. But this is how you cut a tomato, yes or no?
You want to cut?
No.
Okay.
I can cut, but I'll let you cut.
No, it's okay.
Alright, we'll come back a bit later, but the wife is cooking my eggs.
My egg?
Yeah.
I cook it.
Yeah, you cooking my eggs. Yeah, you cook my eggs. Yeah, very good.
You cook your omelette. No,
Yeah, omelette. Yeah, I have feta.
egg.
Actually, put some black olives, I think, in this one, as I was saying before. But actually, I had some tomato in there, but you didn't see it. Yeah, but that's okay. I'll let you off this time. I won't sack you. Or you might sack me. But I'll stop talking before I get myself into trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Soon you're gonna disappear.
I'm gonna disappear. Yeah, well, some people tried to make me disappear, but I'm still here. I am a magician. Alright, we'll come back a bit later. I am filming on the GoPro too, so it shows everything. Yeah, it shows like the messy lounge room. Hopefully there's no pictures of me. Okay, we've got some egg cracking here. Yeah, like my housemate's stirring me up, yeah. Alright, here we got a omelette being cooked here. It's very good. You can see all the messy kitchen. Yes. And here is some more stuff here. Alright, there's some ham. That is ham, if you didn't know. If you go to Hungry Jack's or Burger King, they say this is bacon, but this is ham, okay? And here's my very expensive chopping board. I got 3 of them for the price of 10 doll hairs. Yes, 10 doll hairs. And my expensive knife. And there's a wooden spoon I'm going to get hit with in a minute. Yes, alright. Uru. We'll come back with the product when it's about to be eaten, I think. But who knows. And here's some capsicum being cut up, or as the Americans say, peppers. But this is capsicum, red capsicum.
It's pepper, red pepper.
No, this is capsicum.
Okay.
This is Australia.
Red pepper.
America or China.
China was a red pepper.
Yeah, but here in Australia we call this capsicum, okay? Yes. You're in Australia.
Red pepper.
But when I come to China,
red pepper.
We say red pepper, but we're in Australia. And just over here have some feta, and also have some Coles brand, which isn't a paid advertisement, but they can send me some money if they like. This is black olives, very, very good. And have some ham as well. I think we have bacon in the freezer, but I have some ham I bought for a sandwich, so that's very good. So stuff is being piled up here, and yeah, we've got 2 here. Alright, we'll come back a bit more when we've got something else being chopped up perhaps. Yes. So I'll have to edit this and we'll lose the fantastic 4K copy quality, I should say. So we'll be back shortly. Alright, we're back here with the omelette being cooked. Yes, I can cook my own eggs, but it is good that my wife cooks my eggs and looks after me.
I don't cook your eggs, baby. I cook omelette for you.
This is eggs, but it is an omelette.
I don't cook your eggs.
Oh,
I need
okay.
your eggs.
Oh, yes, true. Yes. Alright. this is an omelette. We'll come back when it's all ready, and we'll be back later on. But I hope you've enjoyed cooking with Jeremiah and his gorgeous wife, and I will come back with a picture of the end product. Uru for now.